Hello guys, I welcome you to Smart Kida Current Affairs 6th April. Which of the following states has inaugurated the state's first formal indigenous language and knowledge system school in East Kameng district? The correct answer for the same is Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Prema Khandu has launched the state's first formal indigenous school, language and knowledge system school in East Kameng district. The first of its kind school called Nuyubum Navagam Yerko was inaugurated at Rang village near Seppa on Saturday. International Transgender Day of Visibility 2021 was observed on which date? The correct answer for the same is March 31st. So, founder by US transgender activist Rachel Crandall, International Transgender Day of Visibility is marked on March 31 each year with an aim to celebrate transgender individuals' contributions to the society. Name the person who was known as Victor of Basantar, passed away recently. The correct answer for the same is Walter Anthony Gustav Pinto. So, Pune Lieutenant General Walter Anthony Gustav Wag Pinto, former general officer in the Indian Army, breathed his last on the night of March 25th. He was 97. He served as the 8th General Officer Commanding in Chief of Central Command. As a Major General, he led the 54th Infantry Division on Western Front in the Indo-Pak War of 1971, for which he was awarded the prestigious Param Vishisht Seva Medal. His son said that his last rites would be held at the AFMC mortuary on Sunday morning. So Sagar Sardi passed away. He was a writer. He was a writer and director. So he was a writer and director both. I only remembered the writer. So the correct option is A and C. So he has written dialogues in screenplays like Yash Chopra's Kabhi Kabhi, Silsila, Fasle, Chandni. Very famous writer. Didikar Rastriska passed away. She was a former president of which country? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Maldives. So, former president of Madagascar, Didikar Ratsirka, has a champion of India Madagascar tie. She passed away. So, this is the correct answer. India has bagged how many medals at the New Delhi ISSF World Cup 2021? Kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer is 30. So, India has bagged 30 medals, tops medals tally at New Delhi ISSF World Cup 2021. Which firm has notified to regulate all registrations, filing of bills of entry and other documents through a single portal, ICE Gate portal? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer is CBIC. So, Common Customs Electronic Portal for facilitating registration, filing of entry, shipping bills, etc. So, CBIC has notified the common portal accessible through Uniform Resource Locator. Industrial Entrepreneur Memorandum is a portal of which department that was upgraded recently? Kindly give the correct answer. Correct answer is none of these, as with a view to enhancing ease of doing business and transparency, DPIIT, Department for Promotion for Industry Internal Trade, has revamped its Industrial Entrepreneurs Memorandum portal. The upgraded portal offers single IEM for one company to capture details of all its location and sectors. Who among the following has been selected as for Saraswati Samman 2020 for his book Sanatan? The correct answer for the same is Sharan Kumar Limbale. So, noted Marathi writer Dr. Sharan Kumar Limbale will receive Saraswati Samman 2020 for his book Sanatan. Which of the following banks has recently inked $1 billion deal with Japan Bank for International Cooperation to extend loans to supply chain of Japanese automobile industry in India? The correct answer for the same is State Bank of India. So, country's largest lender, State Bank of India, has raised $1 billion from Japan Bank for International Cooperation so as to extend loans to supply chain of Japanese automobile industry in India. Which firm has signed memorandum of understanding with GIFT SEZ, a wholly owned subsidiary of Gujarat International Finance Tech Company Co. Limited? The correct answer for the same is NSE Academy Limited. So, NSE Academy Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the National Stock Exchange, and it has signed a memorandum of understanding with GIFT SEZ. The memorandum lays down the foundation for NSE Academy Limited and GIFT City to assist in capacity building of trained manpower by developing, launching and conducting training programs related to international financial services. National Payment Corps of India has defined its standard operating procedure on what percent of market cap of UPI transactions for third-party app providers? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 30%. So, it has said that the 30% market cap on UPI transaction for third-party app providers, right? The limit of 30% will be calculated on the basis of total volume of transactions processed on UPI during the preceding 3 months by a player on a rolling basis. Which of the following banks has announced a collaboration with N-Store to digitize offline retailers and small businesses? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Jana Small Finance Bank. Ujjivana Small Finance Bank. So it has partnered with N-Store to digitize offline retailers. You can see it here. It will offer a mobile app N links to its existing current account customers who are local businesses that will allow them to sell their merchandise online. The local business or retailer can register online, host their product catalog on their app, and be operational online in less than 60 minutes. Which bank has joined hands with Tide India, part of Tide UK, a business banking fintech, to provide banking infrastructure for Tide's India platform focused on SME segment? The correct answer for the same is RBL Bank. So RBL Bank has joined hands with Tide India, a part of Tide UK, a business banking fintech, so as to provide banking infrastructure for Tide's India platform focused on the SME segment. Which company has partnered with Google and other regional telecom companies to connect the United States of America with Southeast Asian countries through undersea cables? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Facebook. So Facebook and Google are planning to lay two huge subsea cables that will link the US West Coast to Singapore and Indonesia, South Asia's biggest economy and home to growing number of smartphone users. Who among the following has attended the 6th annual meeting of Board of Governors of New Development Bank through video conference? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Nirmala Sitharaman. So she has attended the 6th annual meeting of the Board of Governors of New Development Bank through video conference. The meeting was also attended by governors or alternate governors of Brazil, China, Russia, and South Africa. The Foundation Day of India Center for Migration was observed on which date? The correct answer for the same is March 27th. So on March 27th, Foundation Day was of Think Tank India Center for Migration was observed. What is the name of Indian Navy's most decorated unit which has celebrated its Diamond Jubilee? The correct answer for the same is INS 310. This is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee on 21 March 21. INS 310 has rendered yeoman service to the nation in numerous operations. Squadron operated the career-borne Alize aircraft until 1991 and subsequently migrated to the shore-based Dornier 228 aircraft. India and which country have signed the 4 pacts to support healthcare projects under the CGP scheme? The correct answer for the same is Japan. So India and Japan on Tuesday signed 4 agreements under which Tokyo will support healthcare projects funded under the Grant Assistance for Grassroots Project scheme. Which entity has released the investment opportunities in India's healthcare sector? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog has released a report titled Investment Opportunities in India's Healthcare Sector. Purpose of the Investment Opportunities in India's Healthcare Sector report. This includes hospital, medical devices, equipment, health insurance, telemedicine, home healthcare, and medical value travel. Thank you very much for watching. This is Rohit Sharma for Smart Kida. I'll be dealing with static GK module of Indian polity very shortly on this platform.